Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook pinto beans from a can. First, carefully open your can of pinto beans using a standard can opener. Next, place a colander in a large bowl and pour the entire can of beans into the colander. Rinse the beans thoroughly under cool running water for about 60 seconds, ensuring all the thick canning liquid is completely removed. This step significantly improves their taste, making them much more enjoyable. To truly bring your pinto beans to life, begin by sautéing 1 small chopped onion and 2 cloves of minced garlic in 2 tablespoons of olive oil over medium heat. Cook these aromatics until they are softened and fragrant, which typically takes about 3 to 5 minutes. This foundational step builds a rich base for your beans. You will love how much flavor this adds to your meal. Now add your rinsed pinto beans to the pot with the sautéed aromatics. Pour in about 1/4 cup of vegetable broth or water, just enough to create a slight liquid base. Stir in 1/2 teaspoon of cumin, 1/4 teaspoon of chili powder, and a pinch of salt and black pepper. Bring the mixture to a gentle simmer, then reduce the heat to low, cover, and cook for at least 10 minutes, letting the flavors meld beautifully. Once your pinto beans have simmered for about 10 minutes, give them a final taste test and adjust any seasonings as needed. Serve them warm as a hearty side dish alongside grilled chicken, tacos, or a fresh salad. A sprinkle of fresh cilantro or a dollop of sour cream makes a wonderful garnish. These simple, flavorful beans are ready to be enjoyed as a wholesome addition to any meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.